Hello everybody, how are you? I am Noresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classdata.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. So our today question is which is not expense accounts repairs, advertising, rent, interest, accurate. The correct answer of the question is among the options provide accurate is not an expense accounts. It's important to note that the accurate typically presents an accounting entry to recognize revenue or expenses before the transaction is complete or cash is received or paid. On the other hand, and the other option, repairs, advertising, rent, interest are commonly recognized as expense account in accounting. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there are sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.